I should have put a disclaimer. If you can see a fruit fly flying around, he's been in my last 2 videos at least. He is my new friend in here. He won't leave. There he is in my fucking face. Leave! You're not welcome. He came in on Halloween when we left the door open too long for trick-or-treaters, and now he's here. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm so excited because my Sephora order is here. My Sephora order from the most recent VIB sale. I guess it's their fall VIB sale. I am Rouge, big surprise. So I do get 20% off. And I honestly didn't know what I was gonna buy for this sale, but my cart quickly started adding up and then I had to hurry up and check out before I bankrupted us. So let's open this bad boy and see what I got. Because I honestly forgot already some of it. Let's just start with these samples, get them out of the way. I got a Lululemon Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer and like a one-time use of the Drunk Elephant polypeptide cream. It's their Proteini. It's my favorite moisturizer. Anyway, on with the good stuff. So I did pick up the Bomb Baby 2 by Fenty Beauty. It comes with a mini highlighter and a mini lip gloss. And in my most recent Will I Buy It, I think I said I would probably buy this one, and I did. Both of these are new shades, I do believe. So the gloss is called Sweet Mouth, and it just looks like a really pretty milky pink. God, best smelling glosses. Yeah, it's not gonna show up on camera, I can already tell, but it's just a really soft pink with little glitters. That's gonna be nice. And then the highlighter is Sandcastle, and I'm a little nervous about this one now. It looked like a pinky silver, but now I think it's gonna be too deep. It looks absolutely gorgeous in the freaking pan. Let's swatch it. I could probably shear that out on my cheek enough. I think it might work. God, it's really pretty though. So, super glad to have this set. Don't remember what it retailed for. I'll try to put it on the screen. Just know I got a discount, okay? That's all that matters here. All right, and I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury, The Gift of Pillow Talk Lips. Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Top lipstick has been on my loves list for about as long as I can remember. I really, really wanted this lipstick, so she came out with this little set where you get the lipstick and then you get a mini lip liner in the Pillow Talk shade as well, so I wasn't gonna pass that deal up because there were some savings there. I know there were. I'm just gonna have to work with my awkward swatches, okay? There's the liner and the lipstick swatched on my arm right there. Is it the most unique shade ever? No. Why have I wanted Pillow Talk for so long? I don't know, but I have it. She's here now. She's mine. Blessed. More lips. I said I wasn't gonna get this, and then I did. I picked up one of the new Huda Beauty lip sets. It's one of her like 90s, yeah, throwback lip set, and they're supposed to be based on the 90s. I got the more pinky one. Without swatching it, I just guessed that this would be more my thing. So the lip liner is in the shade Partner in Crime. Where the hell am I gonna put all these swatches? Ooh. I'm so sorry that I'm not left-handed. You guys get the idea, right? That is gorgeous. And then the lipstick is in the shade Girls Trip. Oh, that's creamy. Oh. Ooh, I like that. Okay, terrible swatches again, but really cute duo. I'm so glad it's more like a nudie pink and not bright pink. Very excited about this little set now. What the fuck am I gonna do with these lips? I don't know. Next, Shibuji. That's what this should be called. I got one of these Patrick's Ta sets. It comes with a body oil and a lip gloss. Oh, I'm sorry, lip shine. I normally don't mess with products like this, but what is this? Oh, is it a spray? Get out of here, fruit fly. Oh wow, it smells great. So, do I just rub that in, or? Okay, I don't know about this yet, but it smells great. Okay, I don't really know what to do with this yet. Does it have a shade? Oh, a dream. Champagne. Smells good. It's not summer, but I'll use it. I'm really excited for the not lip gloss. What do you call it again? Lip shine. Major Glow. She's expensive. Yeah, that sounds about right. Oh, it's minty. I was expecting vanilla, like the body oil. It's minty. I'm not going to show you a swatch. It's literally a clear gloss. Looks nice. I'll put it on now. Why not? Just a little bit. That feels good. Not sticky. It's like a lip slide, lip shine, whatever. That feels great. Oh, did I need this? No. No, I did not. But I bought the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So the packaging looks like this. We got a plastic case. And here are the dreamy colors. Let's swatch a few shades. I'm just gonna pick a few randomly and put them on my arm. We need like a few shimmers. Do a glitter. Oh fuck, I forgot I had lipstick there. Oh well. I mean, they're just a few swatches, but okay. I am excited to play with it. That'll probably be like my next video or the video after. I'm going to be testing a bunch of this stuff out and a few other things that I have coming from Ulta. Spoiler alert! More makeup because I have issues. But I did get this. Alright, you guys, thank God. Thank God it's over. Thank God that's all I got. Did you pick up anything? Did you resist temptation? Let me know in the comments below. If you got something, let me know. I want to know what it is. I want to know if I should get it too, while I still have the discount going on. If you like videos like this one, please give it a thumbs up, and it'll let me know to keep showing you the crap I buy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!